Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Today we have only three people, me, Love Prakash and Rajiv. More people will join meanwhile. So today's topic of discussion is demonetization. We all know that a few years ago in our country, the notes of 500 and 1000 were banned by the current Prime Minister of India. It was 8th of November and just after the festival of Diwali. So it was this is our topic, demonetization and its effect on the economy and common people. So I would request you to take the lead. So who wants to share his opinion first?
Yes, I take the lead.
Yes,
Today's topic is demonetization. What is the positive and negative impact of demonetization on our society? First of all, I am talking about what is demonetization. Demonetization, we can say in Hindi, that is notbandi. It is initiated by our Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, in 2016, November 2016, after the end of Chhat Puja. That date was 8th November 2026. Am I right? Okay. So first thing is that there are demonetization means notbandi. There are many people who have no cash, so they have to a lot of problem to survive on our society. Anyone cannot give any money to their friends, so that many of we have conflict with many friends and neighborhood. But if we talk about the mm, if we talk about the what is the what happened when demonetization has started, many of others, they cannot purchase things without their money. In this demonetization, 200 and sorry 500 and 1000 note will be closed. ये 500 और 1000 के नोट जो है वो यूजफुल नहीं रहा. So everyone go to the bank and see their long line, and it is very difficult to deposit and deposit money from the bank. Credit and deposit from the deposit money from the bank, and everyone cannot take 500 note. So हमारे पास खुदरा का बहुत कमी हो गया, और बहुत दिक्कत हो गया कोई भी सामान परचेज करने में और सेलिंग करने में. And our stock market has also down at that time, and our value of currency has down. But in the positive, in what is the impact of positive impact of demonetization is that the black money has destroyed, because the terrorists have a lot of money from threatening the people, and मतलब लोगों को लूट करके और बहुत सारे चीजों को वो लोग लूटते हैं, तो वो लोग कैश अपने पास रखते हैं. They have a lot of cash, so that a large amount of cash they cannot deposit in the bank, because the government banned on the number of money. मतलब कि कितना मनी जो है वो कोई भी डिपॉजिट कर सकता है एक बार में, तो सरकार ने उस पे बैन कर दिया. सो देयर मनी हैव like a paper sheet. Okay, the money have made their money like a paper sheet, many of terrorists, many of people like लार्ज लीडर दे आर, मतलब वैसे नेता जो कि बहुत सारे पैसे रखे हुए थे छुपा करके, तो वो लोग अपना पैसे को कोई कोई गरीब लोगों के बीच डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करके उनके खाते में जमा करवाते थे, ताकि उनका जो ब्लैक मनी है वो वाइट हो सके. So this is from my side. I would like to request to continue on this topic.
Yes, thank you, Razi, for your point. You highlighted about the point of type. So you told us about what is demonetization and what is positive and negative impacts of the demonetization, and also highlighted the point how the person who have the black money make the black money to white money uh, by many illegal processes. So Law Prakash, are you available for the sharing of opinion?
Yes, yes. Thank you, Mangalam and Rajiv, for giving opportunity to discuss about the topic, today's topic, demonetization. On the topic demonetization, what is the positive impact and negative impact? And basically, we discuss about what is the impact on common people, which people lives in the rural areas or urban area. So I give my some points on this topic. So basically, in simple ways, I when I talk about demonetization, and I read many things and I observe my personal experience that demonetization finally fails on the in India. Finally fails on the India, or do you talk about how to please explain how it fails? Why take some points and also some demonetization. Demonetization gives the online platform of transaction or many things I will discuss in some time. First of all, demonetization. What is demonetization? Demonetization in this process, government banned the 5,000 and 1,000 rupees notes in 2006. Basically, this is the government decision, strong government decision taken by at that time, and we all respect, all of the overall Indian people respect this decision. But finally time goes 1 2 3 years, then research going on the demonetization. Finally conclusion is that finally demonetization is fails, because we see that in the demonetization process, many people of village uh, 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 die due to collecting money from ATMs and many banks or many offices, because as we know that village economy run on the liquidity, means only note and currency and uh, these types of money. And in villages, rural area, there is less awareness about mm, online transaction processes. So in village areas, there is a lot of issues due to demonetization. Many, as we know that in November, December month, there is a marriage season and many different type in our India, many cultural festivals and many these things are happen in November or December times. And this is also is the end of our year. But finally we see that as demonetization occurs, uh, common people face many difficulties because they have no money. And we talk about uh, those people who are level class family. They only depends on the uh, 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 working on some 5 to 10 hours and give money, that like level class family. These people are affected by highly affected by these people, because they don't know have any technology, mobile, smartphone. They can uh, uh, on transaction with online processes. So basically, in demonetization, middle class family and poor families are greatly affected by this demonetization. I also talk about on the GDP growth at this time. So at that time, GDP growth decreases, and till now recession is after demonetization. There is no exponential growth in the GDP, because demonetization highly impact on the GDP growth of India and highly impact on the industry sector, because about many types of small industry close down, and many other people employ, and that company are jobless. So finally, and I talk about some also talk about on the banking sector. After that, banking sector is also uh, goes in recession. After that, you see that many banks are combined to form one government combined two or three banks in a one banks. This is, I think this is the main cause of demonetization, and mainly highly people affected by these people, these types of things. And I also give add some points that uh, some positive points about this. After demonetization, exponentially growth in the, we see that in online transaction process, many of the I personally use online transaction after demonetization, because there is no any other way to transfer this money, because all the cash are banned. So many of the online transaction uh, uh, apps come in the pictures. And after that after that many things, I also come on the point that demonetization, and demonetization is basically for the black money and terrorist activities. But I think there is some decrease in that. But I not say that after this black money, uh, there is no, I'm reading newspaper about, there is no, after RBI says 99.63% about all cash comes in the RBI after demonetization. This means according to RBI there is no any black money in the India. Or basically, we also know that for the printing the notes and many these types printing notes, we also invest money. So that after many research, I found that there is a lot of problem faced by the people of India, and also as and basically in rural areas, and also impact on the economy. But a small change in the online transaction processes, after that online transaction, online banking come in the highly in picture. So definitely these are the uh, good point. But in also we say that as the uh, have banking sector come in the online, many fraud cases are also generated. So I think that if any have positive advantage, then also have this negative advantage. So I conclude my points into three sentences. Finally, our demonetization great impact on the GDP growth, and also great impact on the real sectors and industry areas, and large impact by impact on the rural people. We whose people, they depends on daily wages basis. So this is my points, and thank you for all giving me opportunity. This is my points. Thank you all.
Yes, thank you, Love Prakash, for your wonderful point. You highlighted the point about the how these demonetizations fails in India. Yes, of course, it has many negative impact on our economy, on common people. As just after the demonetization, Rahul Gandhi, president of National Congress Party, said that all cases are not black and all black money are not cases. So yes, sure, we can say that demonetization was not a good idea in respect to the black money. So we have Suraj and Vivek. So Suraj, are you available? If you are available, then put your opinion.
Yes, Mangalam ji, I am available. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Please fix your camera.
Yes, Mangalam ji, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Suraj, you are audible. Continue.
Thank you, Mangalam ji, for giving me opportunities to discuss about demonetization. Firstly, I want to say what is demonetization. A new currency will replace by old currency, and demonetization notes are not valid as legal currency. What are the problems faced by the people during demonetization? So many problems faced by the people doing demonetization. Number one, so many people are not buying goods and services during demonetization, and they pay only hospital bills. For number one, and number second is that during demonetization, a bank deposit people can send rupee in bank, and new money will withdraw from the bank. And the impact of demonetization, number one, can I speak in Hindi?
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, you continue. No problem.
Yes, accommodation of money. You also know about Amarnath sir. All people know about Amarnath sir. Amarnath sir is teaching mathematics. I also studied mathematics from Amarnath sir. As I know, as far as I know, Amarnath sir is doing. Amarnath sir have so much money that he can submit all the money in very big like जैसे थैला में वो लोग रखते हैं, 1 बोरा 2 बोरा 3 बोरा, इतना तक हमने देखा है कि वो पैसा को जमा करते हैं। जब वो पैसा को जमा करते हैं तो क्या करते हैं, वो पोखर की तरह खोदते हैं और उसके अंदर में रखते हैं वो। और क्या होते हैं क्या कि मतलब वो जबकि टैक्स देते भी नहीं है उतना ज्यादा। तो इस सब फील्ड में डिमोनेटाइजेशन का एक बड़ा रोल होता है, क्योंकि वो 500 1000 का कैश उनके पास ज्यादा होता है, तो वो एक पानी की तरह बह जाता है। तो इस सब फील्ड में डिमोनेटाइजेशन का एक सही यूज होता है। उसके बाद एक लीगल, वी कैन सी दैट demonetization is also essential in the field of illegal activities, as you see in the village and in market, that so many people in the competitive world that one people can die, जान से मार देता किसी दूसरों को, क्योंकि in this field we also see that 500 and 1000 rupee is biggest role in the demonetization. And aim of demonetization is to curb corruption and not allowed to fake currency. That you have also seen in India that the fake currency is came from foreign, that the RBI signature is not on that money. And positive impact of demonetization is that first positive impact, very big first positive impact of demonetization is that as as you listen that as you that terrorist, जैसा कि टेररिस्ट या फिर वो नेशनलिस्ट वगैरह में क्या होता है क्या कि मतलब वो लोग कहीं से फेक करेंसी लाता है, करेंसी रखा रहता है 500 500 का बनेगा, फिर वो लोग कहीं ना कहीं जाकर के वो यूज खरीद लेता है कुछ सामान, उसके बाद फिर वो बम धमाका करता है, तो वो उस समय डिमोनेटाइजेशन एक बड़ा रोल होता है। Thank you, Magalam, giving me opportunity to discuss about demonetization.
Yes, thank
Thank
you
you
so
all.
much for your point. You made the wonderful point about the demonetization, that how it affects the terrorist and other activities. So I would request you to Suraj, please try to avoid to give example of some person, that as you can't blame someone directly that he is not paying tax. This is not our right. Okay. So you can say just I know a person XYZ. Okay. So please avoid.
Okay, Mangalam ji, I will.
Yes, yes.
I will
Yes,
not take.
I also suggest that you please don't take any name. You
You
can take
just
as
say
a
that I know
XYZ
a
or
person, I know
ABCD.
a private school
Yes.
that he's okay. You just say XYZ because in this scenario it will be affect you. So now I am going to put my point because I have some electricity problems. That's why I can't turn on my camera. Yes, so today's topic is demonetization. As previously Suraj, Rajiv and LPG have told about the demonetization. So demonetizations happened around 5 years ago on the 8th November, just after the Deepavali Tyohar. At 8 p.m. our Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that from now onward the currency of 500 and 1000 will not legal. So what happens the next day? So I'm telling my personal experience now. So so please unmute yourself, those whose speaker is on. Suraj, please. Yes. So I'm sharing my experience. I was I was traveling home to Patna at 8th of November. So I was in the bus at Gandhi Setu, in the habit traffic. So one friend called me on phone and he said me that the Modi have banned all the 500 and 1000 note, and I have 5,000 currency of having combination of 500 and 1000 note. I was little bit in tension. First, I didn't believe that in such a democratic scenario that suddenly 500 and 1000 note will be banned. So I make fun of my friend on phone call. But when I reached to the hostel and saw the news on the TV, then I was shocked that the 500 and 1000 rupees was banned. So at that time I was preparing for the JMENS entrance at Patna. So you know that just after November it is the month of December and it is cold season. So I have to purchase some woolen cloth for the cold weather. So next day I went to the some shop and I purchased a jacket and paid 2000 rupees on the counter, but he refused to take the money. Then I realized that uh, the uh, the problem faced by the common people due to the demonetization. So as the today's group discussion is demonetization, so I was reading some of the articles yesterday, and as Law Prakash said that there are numerous people have died in the queue for in the ATM, in the banks. Okay, so in spite of that, due to the means right now I'm telling the short term effect of the demonetization, and the long term of demonetization is the effect on the our economy. So in the short term what happens, many of the people have not so much actually due to a sudden ban of currency, they have not uh, uh, so uh, huh, as as we know that the many of the doctors, many of the persons who have lots of amount, whether it may be black and white, it doesn't matter, but to make them white, it is a big challenge for them. So we also see in the news that many of the doctors, many of the uh, constructing company owners have died due to heart attack, due to brain hemorrhage, because he have a lots of money. He earned either with some illegal way or with his effort. Okay, uh, but he have lots of money, and it is a really a big challenge to make them white. Some person who have good network, person having good network, they simply do what that they transferred some amount of money to various people. Suppose I have 1 crore rupees and I transferred 1 lakh rupees to 100 persons account, and I told that each persons that I am sending you this much of amount of money, and instead of this much amount of money, I will pay you 10,000 of money. So if a poor is offered 10,000 money to do these types of work, then it is not. I think they will accept this, and also the person who is offering, they usually helps him. So I think they will not refuse. So what happens in this way? Various persons who have some good networks and good networks among the poor starts making his black money into white. Okay, and we see in the news that there are various contractors, means those who are constructing means construct constructing home etc. So they started something like a business that if you give me 50 lakh money, I will make you make this money white money, and I will take charge of 10 lakh rupees. And so give me, if you have 50 lakh money, give me 10 lakh, I will give you back 40 lakh money as a white. So in this way, people started making his black money into white. As I earlier said that all the black money are not in the cash, and all the cash money are not black. So why we banned 5,000 and 500 and 8,000 money? So these things that I have taught, these are some short-term effect of the uh, demonetization. So in long term, what happens? In long term, what happens? Ki, as Suraj and Loprakash have discussed, it affects our economy. So due to this process, the our stock market get collapsed. Various MSME sectors, micro, medium, and small industries are facing lack of investment due to demonetization, as various people lose their money due to demonetization, and they have a fear of banning 500 and 2,000 money again. Now I'm going to the another aspect of disadvantage, ill effect of the 2000 currency. So let us suppose it is related to the fake currency. So suppose you must know that the countries, most of the countries are not making money of more than 100 unit, as we have already 500 and 2,000. So suppose we have 2,000 rupees, and I am a person uh, who are printing fake money. So what I will do, I will so if there so if I print a fake money of 2,000 rupees, okay, then it will be more helpful for us. Let us suppose I prepared a fake money of 2,000 rupees, and I gave some agent to run this money on the market, and instead of them I will pay him 500. So finally I get back 1,500 rupees. Or suppose if I am getting 1,000 rupees instead of 2,000 fake currency, so in that scenario I am in profit. So on the other hand, let us suppose if you have only the highest amount of 100 rupees or 500 rupees, as we know that we are promoting the digital India, digital mode of cash transfer, etc. So let us suppose we have 500 of currency. So in this way, the fake currency will be less beneficial. So this is another effect of demonetization as fake currency. So there are some also advantages just after the demonetization. 1 or 2 days after the demonetization, there was a big advertisement in the front paper of the newspaper that of Paytm. So Paytm, the advertisement was "Thank you Modi," and it was the advertisement of Paytm. So what happens just after demonetization? The digital cash transfer increases in a steep manner. So even I was in Patna, and the many of the vegetable seller and the persons who used to sell their commodities on the road, or you can say footpath. So they even started the digital cash transfer using Paytm, and there are various means of online cash transfer. So this is a positive impact of the demonetization, or you can say it is the byproduct of demonetization or side effect of the demonetization. But uh, uh, I'm going to conclude that uh, overall, I can say that demonetization was uh, uh, not a good policy to curb the menace of the black currency. So this is just like the you must have read the there was a king Muhammad bin Tughlaq. He was also known as the Pagal Badshah. So he also what he had done that he banned the coin of metal which is made up of gold and silver, as his thought was gold and silver is a precious metal and it should be in the khajana of the state. So they banned the silver and gold coin and started the metal coin of something aluminum or tamba. So what happens, there are many person who start forging, and if you are interested, then you can read this story. So overall, I say that it was not a good policy to curb the black money. You should know that there is only 6 crore of taxpayer if in India. Only 6 crore person pays tax, out of which 4.5 crore return their tax. Okay, but with zero amount. They just return their tax. Only 1.5 crores people are paying the taxes even now. So I think uh, so we didn't increase so much people who are paying the taxes. Only the big corporates are paying the taxes. That's all from my side. We have only a 4 minute left, and Vivek is still left to put his opinion. So Vivek, are you available?
Yes, I am available. Mangalam ji, thank you for giving me opportunity to conclude with all my friends. Firstly, demonetization means all the notes and all coins, all currency is replaced to new currency. New currency, just like first time European country in 2002 replace your currency in euro. Approx 12 country is changed in euro currency. And first time in our government, Indian government, in 8 November 2016 in announces to stop all currency of 100 and 1,500 rupee note to ban fully in India. Uh, uh, in lots of advantage and disadvantage of demonetization. Like as a normal people facing lots of problem to demonetization, because they are standing in a queue in maximum time in queue front of bank, and they are facing just like a marriage people and festival time, they have a lots of problem facing people, and their impact on big person, very big, very big impact, just like a businessman who have uh, keep on lots of money to black way and not a white way, so then they are distribute uh, simple people, and then collect by uh, exchanging all people, so they have everywhere everywhere all person facing a lots of problem, because firstly why uh, uh, take government demonetization at a time, uh, because lots of money, just like black money change to white money, and fake money change to white money. This is the main reason to uh, reason to come to in India to demonetization. This all my point in my side. Thank you, Mangalam.
Yes, thank you, Vivek, for your.
Okay, thank you everyone for giving
We
your
have
points on that
5 minutes
demonetization.
left. Anybody wants to speak, then speak.
Yes, yes. Okay, all. So finally, we conclude that demonetization greater impact on the GDP growth and common people of India, and also by this online transaction or online payments modes are increased. That is the final some points. Thank you. Thank you
Yes,
all.
Suraj, would you like to
Please,
speak to more
Mangalam ji,
on the topic?
yes,
Education
Mangalam ji.
2020.
Okay, Mangalam ji, after ending this session, you can send recorded
Yes, I
session
will
of this
upload and I will
topic.
share link on the WhatsApp group tomorrow's. So thank you for participation.